Number 3 on this list on how to start crushing on Google and start ranking the map pack to start dominating your local area and growing your business to the business that you want is going to be getting more Google reviews. So you can see here, based off a White Spark study, 2023, based off of all the biggest SEO companies in the US, reviews has 4 categories in terms of how important it is for ranking in the top 20. So we can see number 6, high numerical Google rating, meaning 5-star rating over 1-star rating, right? Number 8 is quantity of native Google reviews with text, right? So how many reviews do you have that also have text? Number 13 is sustained influx of reviews over time. So Google would much rather you see you getting 5 reviews every single week than getting 150 reviews 1 week, right? And so basically, if you haven't gotten a review in 12 months, how is Google supposed to know you're still in business and still doing a job? Like, how are you supposed to know that? Whereas if you're getting 5 reviews every single week for years upon years, Google can trust that this is a great business that's consistently doing a great job, that is still in business, right? So that's the 13th ranking factor. Number 20 is the recency reviews. Like we said there, Google trusts a review that was left yesterday a lot more than a review that was left last year. Why? Because if someone types in best cryotherapy or best beach bonfire or best plumber near me, if you got a review yesterday, Google's like, okay, they're still great. If you get a 5-star review yesterday, like, they're still great and they're still in business. So Google says thumbs up, right? And then also there's a bunch of other in here. I think there's 7 in the top 40. And so you can see quantity of native Google reviews with no text, positive sentiment of the review text. So what is that? What are the reviews saying? How positive are they in the actual text of it? And we can see there was some more keyword. There was keywords in native Google reviews. That's super important. If people are including your main business category, your main service, your area in the reviews, that is super crucial. So reviews have a special spot in my heart because I own Review Harvest. I don't know if you've seen any rating or anything, but I'm pretty much a done for you service to help local business owners get more reviews. So we do 3 things. We help you request reviews with a personalized image. So say your customer's name was Richard, he would get this image afterwards. Also, when we request via text and email, and we donate a meal to Feeding America for every single review that we get our clients. So we just extend that offer to you. Donated over 7,500 meals already, just in the past 7 or 8 or 9 months. We help you request reviews. We help you respond to reviews. So we respond to reviews for you on Google so you don't have to, saving you loads of time. And then also we help you repurpose reviews. So we turn all your 5-star reviews into social media content automatically and post it to your social media platforms for you. So you don't have to worry about that, right? And so right now we have a 14-day free trial. That's why I say first 50 reviews free. We can normally get our good fit customers, we can normally get them 50 new reviews and on that 14-day trial, totally for free, just to give you a taste of it before you have to worry about it. And so I am going to go into how to get you more reviews right now without using us. But if you do want to have it taken off your hands, have it set up in the background, so this is automatically happening, you'll have the most professional Google review service that is out there. And feel free to hit us up. I would love to help you out and go ahead and start your 14-day free trial. But here, if you want to do it yourself, totally get it. Hey, you do you. Here's how you can get more reviews. So the first thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to ask. We're going to have to ask, our customers. We're only going to get bad reviews normally if we're not asking. So we have to ask in person, ask via text, ask via call, ask via email. And so via text and via email can be automated pretty easily. That's what we do with Review Harvest. But call and in person are also both very valuable. And so you definitely want to ask. Just start asking. Number 2 is we got to make it easy. And so what that looks like is that means like grabbing your Google review link. So if I just click on one of the businesses here, go to your Google Business Profile. You might have to do a little drop down there, click on ask for reviews and send in this direct link. So send this direct link to them. That way you can just click it and they can leave a review super quick. You don't have to worry about them having to find your Google Business Profile. We have to make it easy on them. So that's the second part of getting more reviews. The third is remind. So a really, really beneficial frame that we come from Review Harvest is like, hey, if you do a great job, your customers want to leave you a review. They're just busy. Like we are busier than ever nowadays. We see 4,000 plus ads. We're taking Timothy soccer practice. We're cleaning the house. We're mowing the yard. We got a billion things going on, right? And we're busier people than ever. And we just have to remind people if they're busy, this stuff goes on. They might get the text. They might have said they'd do it and they just forgot. So we have to remind via text and email. You can automate the text and email follow-up. And then if you just see a week or 2 later, give them a ring, say, hey, I see you left a review. Would you mind taking the time to do us with that? And then the last thing here is just incentivize. And so what we do at Review Harvest is we incentivize for the common good. So we say, hey, we'll donate a meal to Feeding America if you just take 10 seconds to leave a review. Would you mind doing that for us? And so since it's a personal incentive, since it's an incentive for the common good, not a personal incentive, it's okay. It's compliant. What we don't want to do is we don't want to pay people for reviews. That's against Google's terms of service. Don't want to do that. There are some workarounds like giveaways. Technically, it's not a personal incentive. Like they're not getting anything. They're just getting an entry to something. And so it really just depends on your risk level there. Millions of business owners pay for reviews all the time. I tell people literally all the time that are giving out $100 or $50 gas cards or gift cards just for someone to leave a review. And so no ifs, ands, or buts. If you incentivize in some way, shape, or form, you will get more reviews. And so just recommend doing it, in terms of your compliance and what you're comfortable with, do it that way. But we incentivize for the common good, just kind of cover our bases there. By donating a meal, you could plant a tree, etc. And then the last thing is just automate. So just automate as much as you can of this process, because what we found is that when it's automated, it gets done. When it's not automated, decent amount of times it slips through the cracks. And so just do your best to automate where you can to save you time. If you want to work with somebody like Review Harvest, we'd love to help you out. We try to keep the pricing super reasonable, just to kind of make it a no-brainer offer and give you a 2-week free trial so you can kind of get a taste of, hey, what's kind of possible. And yeah, so if you are at all interested in working with us, feel free to just go to reviewharvest.com, click on the results, and just scroll through, watch some of the video testimonials. You can just see some of our results. Right now, our average customer gets increases their reviews by like over 1,000%, something ridiculous. And so yeah, would love to help you out, and you can just book a call, or you can go ahead and start free and go ahead and get you on the onboarding call and get you rock and rolling ASAP. But yeah, other than that, still do those other things: ask, remind, make it easy, give them the link, and incentivize and automate where you can. Thanks. Oh, and if you have any more questions at all, as always, go ahead and pop them in the community, hop on a call on the calendar, put it on your calendar. And if you want to, just let you know, we'll see you in the next one. One thing you do, you click on this check mark right here, and you just mark it as done. That way you can check out, see your progress through the course. So yeah, see you in the next one.